Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Vidya. Today we will study Chapter 20, Duckling from Art and Activities Skill Book. First of all, tell me, who is Duckling? Who's Duckling? The baby of duck. Baby of duck. Baby of duck is duckling. Okay. Now come back to our worksheet. Join the dotted lines to complete the clown face. Also color it as shown. First of all, we have to join the dots. Okay, we have to join the dots. Let's start. Join the dots. Start from top. Join this, okay? And from this. Do it fast. Now take out your crayons and start coloring with me. First of all, take out your red color. Take out your red color and start coloring. Completed another red color and this. Okay, now take out your green color. Take out your green color and start coloring with me. Do it neatly. Leave the circles, okay? Leave the circles. Up and down, up and down. Now, complete it fast. Complete it. Take out your yellow color and fill in the circles. In this yellow, in this again yellow, now blue, purple, Now, next turn is of pink. I don't have, that's why I'm using red color, okay? Now, take out your black color. Which color? Black color. Start coloring. I hope you all are enjoying. Completed fast. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class.